Indeed, these young achievers serve as inspiration to the community and prove that education remains one of the strongest foundations for a brighter future.
Ngunit alam niyo ba kung ano ang nanatiling consistent sa kabila ng lahat ng distraction? Iyon ay ang inyong determinasyon. Determinasyon na magsumikap, mag-aral, at ipagpatuloy ang laban araw-araw. At iyon ang dahilan kung bakit tayo narito ngayon para ipagdiwang ang inyong tagumpay. Palakpakan na po natin ang bawat isa.
We made it through, together we shine. Our dreams are here, the future's mine. With love and faith, we'll see it through. This victory belongs to you.
My name is Carol Judith S. Gallo, grade 6 of St. Rita College, Manila, and I am truly honored to be here today for the Gawad Movement program of Barangay.
For every sleepless night we cry, for every moment we
Nais ko ipabot ang aking taus-pusong pagbati sa lahat ng mga mag-aaral na nagsisikap at nagtagumpay.
We made it through, together we shine. Our dreams are here, the future's mine. With love and faith, we'll see it through. This victory.